Okay, what we're going to do today is we're going to replace this broken light. It's about 40 degrees out. It's a little breezy, but it has to be done. We already got the new light from Eagle Eyes, so we're pretty much set to go. We're just going to take it out of the box, pop the trunk, and go ahead and replace it. Okay, we got the new light out of the box. We're going to swap it out with this one. First thing you want to do is look at the back to get a hint as to what needs to be done. You can see that this has a clip. It's a pressure clip. You just squeeze it and pull it apart. This is where the wiring goes. And you can see there's 3 studs with threads. There's the 3 studs that we have to find and take the nuts off the back. Now we've already done that. We can look inside. They're 8mm. Didn't take a lot. It was just an 8mm socket. Didn't even have to use a deep well. The nuts come right off. They're hand tightened. So it comes right out. Now we should be able to just pull this right out of the car. There you go. Pulled it right out of the car. Has light bulbs already in it. We're just going to put the new one in. That's all it should take. Now it's going to put the nuts on the inside. We should be ready to go. Now you can see the studs right there with the threads. They're where the nuts go back on. And we have to put this clip back into the socket, and that's going to hook up the wiring, and we're done. We made sure that the side was clipped on to the side of the car, the wraparound. The guide pins and the studs came through. Just tightened it up, put the plug back in, and we're done. Okay, this is the old light we just took out of the car. You can see this is the broken one. We're going to save the light bulbs out of this because they all worked. Just the diffuser was broken. So we twist them counterclockwise to take it out. There's one. Now on this side, you have to take the bigger light bulb out before you can take out the marker light. Okay, so we got the turn signal light, we got the brake light, we got the marker light. So take this one out, got to pull it out. Then the other one is the third light. Everything turns counterclockwise and they should pop right out. Be careful if you use pliers because it's all plastic. It breaks pretty easily if you're too rough with it. Okay, we went through the back. We got the nuts back onto the threaded studs. We don't even have to use a wrench or anything. You just use an extension and just enough hand pressure to tighten them. Because this plastic, if you use a wrench and really crank it down, it will break the plastic. Last thing we have to do is plug in the power. You can see right here, it just snaps right back together. Right here. And we're going to put this plug back into the socket. Clips right back in. We're all set to go. Now we're just going to check it out. Then we have this little door to put back on to finish it off. Hope that was a helpful video. If you want to watch more do-it-yourself and helpful videos, go to Real Mike's Garage and visit my YouTube channel. Please subscribe.